Hello guys, welcome to EMF. I'm Andre and today we will talk about the best photo editing software for beginners and pros. It's called Luminar 4 and it uses AI to enhance your photos. And it is also one-time pay. If you use my link to buy this software, you're gonna have a 10% discount. The link is down below in the description. What I really like about it is the fact that it's AI. Works so great. You can use it on landscape photos, you can use it on portraits, and we're gonna see how its AI will gonna enhance your photography game.
Today we're gonna edit this beautiful landscape, and we're gonna use the AI enhance to enhance our photo. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna raise the value. Yeah, this looks great. Let's go for 100%. I think that's too much. I'm gonna leave it at 56. And also look at the sky while I'm playing with the slider. Look at it, beautiful, simply beautiful. Okay, let's see some AI structure, how it affects. Let's go and max it out. We're gonna do just a little bit, around 21 and a boost of 13. Okay, let's see some colors. The colors are okay. Okay, there's another effect that I like, and you can find it in creative. You can also change the sky. Let's see, I want a dramatic sky. And look how beautiful all this looks. But I don't mind the default sky. It looks great as is. Textures from the clouds, some contrast, it looks great. So now we're gonna apply this mystical effect. So it goes like this at 100%. I'm gonna keep it at around 40. I think I will increase the shadows a bit. Shadows right here. Okay, just a bit. Just to see some details in the shadows right here. Alright, another effect that I like is right here at Essentials, on the Essentials tab. It's called Landscape Enhancer. It simulates the golden hour look. If we bump it up, it looks something like this. I don't want that much. Okay, let's see a vignette. Placed already in the center, so I'm gonna reduce the size, decrease the amount, and I want to feather it out a bit. Yeah, but it's pretty decent. Something like this, alright. Now I would like to do is go to Creative tab, color style slot, and we're gonna choose, I have the where is it? brightness and its lights. I'm gonna increase the value. But I don't want that much, so somewhere around 40% it's enough. Maybe I can put some sun rays, so we should just place a sun around here, increase the amount. Maybe that's just a bit too much. See the overall look. Too much. Okay, so around 55%. Sun rays, like somewhere around here. Maybe make it a bit warmer. And also the sun rays. Yeah, something like that looks good. Click done. And look at it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Let's just export it like this. And this is it. This is how I edit my photo in Luminar 4.